Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, welcome to another video. Please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell so you will be updated on all my future content. So this video is going to be a brief review of addition with regrouping. Our first example problem is 243 plus 578. And we're going to go through step by step how to solve that problem. So we always start in the ones place with the digits all the way to the right. And we have to find the sum of 3 plus 8. Now, anytime our sum is 10 or more, we will need to regroup. So 3 plus 8 equals 11. So the 1 and 11 goes in the ones place, and the other 1 and 11 gets carried over to the tens place. Anytime our sum is 10 or more, we have to regroup. Next, we add 4 plus 7. 4 plus 7 equals 11, plus 1 equals 12. Again, we need to regroup to carry the 1. Don't forget to add the number that you carried over. That's very important. Next, we're going to add 2 plus 5, and again, we have to add the one that we carried over. 2 plus 5 equals 7, plus 1 equals 8. And we have our final answer, 243 plus 578 equals 821. Moving on to our next example problem. All right, next example problem, we have 749 plus 132. Now, we always start in the ones place. We always start with the digits all the way to the right. 9 plus 2 equals 11. So we have to regroup. We regroup anytime the sum is 10 or more. So the 1 and 11 goes in the ones place. The other 1 and 11 gets carried over to the tens place. Four plus 3 equals 7, plus 1 equals 8. Seven plus 1 equals 8, and we have our final answer. 749 plus 132 equals 881. All right, next example. We have 275 plus 489. So again, we are starting in the ones place. 5 plus 9 equals 14. 4, carry the 1. Seven plus 8 equals 15, plus 1 equals 16. 6, carry the 1. Two plus 4 equals 6, plus 1 equals 7. And we have our final answer. 275 plus 489 equals 764. All right, moving on to the next example. We have 339 plus 252. So, starting in the ones place, 9 plus 2 equals 11. 1, carry the 1. 3 plus 5 equals 8, plus 1 equals 9. 3 plus 2 equals 5. And we have our final answer. 339 plus 252 equals 591. All right, next example problem. $725 plus 845. So we start in the ones place. 5 plus 5 equals 10. 0. Carry the 1. 2 plus 4 equals 6. Plus 1 equals 7. 7 plus 8 equals 15. And we have our final answer, 725 plus 845 equals 1,570. All right, moving on to our next example problem. This may be our final example problem of the live stream. All right, 411 plus 598. 1 plus 8 equals 9. Notice we did not regroup in the ones place. Why? Because the sum is less than 10. If the sum is 9 or less, regrouping is not needed. Now in the tens place, 1 plus 9 equals 10. We do need to regroup in the tens place, so the 0 and 10 goes in the tens place. The 1 and 10 gets carried over to the hundreds place. 4 plus 5 equals 9, plus 1 equals 10. And we have our final answer. 411 plus 598 equals 1,009. All right, that concludes our live stream for this evening. Thank you so much for tuning in. Leave a comment. Let me know what you thought of the video. And if there is an area of math or reading that you're having difficulty with, put that in the comments and I will do a future video on that skill. Until next time, this is Mr. Camilleri signing off.